Let's talk about threatening debt collection. Is it illegal? Absolutely. When a creditor pressures a debtor with verbal abuse, threats, or hints of negative consequences, it's a clear violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. This isn't just simple nagging, it's an illegal act. If the behavior includes threatening language or shows of force, it can even lead to criminal charges like extortion or attempted coercion. Specifically, things like threatening to tell your family or employer to shame you, repeated and relentless contact, or intimidating visits at night are all considered unlawful. Courts have consistently ruled that these actions seriously violate a person's dignity and right to peace, imposing not only criminal penalties, but also financial damages on the aggressor. It's quite absurd, really. They try to collect a debt, but end up facing a lawsuit themselves. This is a perfect example of why just hearing a few lines of a story is not enough to solve a legal problem. It's like going to a hospital and just shouting your symptoms from the doorway. A doctor can't give you a proper diagnosis or treatment that way. Legal issues are the same. You need a detailed consultation to examine the facts, the timeline, the evidence, and the legal procedures step by step. Only then can you figure out what went wrong and where to start fighting back. At Law Office Asin, our first step is always to listen. We don't jump to signing a contract. Our primary goal is to help you understand your situation, the options you have, and the best path forward. Sometimes, the right decision for you is not to hire us, and we see that as part of our duty to provide honest counsel. When we do take a case, whether it's a criminal matter, a civil dispute, or an immigration issue, we handle it as one unified process. From the initial police investigation to the final court ruling, your lawyer is directly involved, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This approach has been our standard since 2014, building trust by focusing on realistic solutions, not empty promises. For victims of threatening collection, you can gather evidence like recordings, text messages, and witness statements to file a police report or complain to financial regulators. This evidence also supports a civil claim for emotional distress damages. For creditors, resorting to illegal pressure is a huge risk. You could end up in a criminal case and fail to recover the original debt. It's always better to use legitimate legal procedures. Finding a law firm that handles criminal, civil, family, and administrative law with this comprehensive and practical mindset is key. If you need a legal consultation, please refer to the description in this video. Your likes and subscriptions help us provide more detailed legal insights. Thank you.